This is my Stuart Turner live steam walking beam engine running on compressed air at 3 psi. I've owned it for about 10 years and I have never run it on actual steam. If I were to do that, I'd add a displacement oiler to lubricate the cylinder during operation. It weighs just about 17 pounds, stands just over 12 inches tall, including the base. The length of the beam is 7 5/8 inches, and the wooden base measurements are 16 inches by 6 inches. It's made out of cast iron and brass, and it was made again by Stuart Turner in England. If you have any questions or would like more information, please email me. DL800, that's D as in David, L as in Larry, 800 at Comcast.net. Thanks. I hope you enjoyed the video.